guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Bago natin simulan, sa mga gustong tumalpak dyan sa legit online betting ay i-recommenda ko ang 1xBet. Malalaki ang odds, mabilis lang mag-deposit at syempre mag-withdraw. Pwedeng gumamit ng GCash, bangko, cryptocurrency at marami pang iba. At pwede kang makakuha ng up to 7,000 pesos bonus sa unang deposit mo. Magpa-register lang kayo gamit ang link na nakapin sa comment section sa ibaba. At huwag kalimutang gamitin ang ating promo code na CNM sa unang deposit mo para makuha mo ang bonus na up to 7,000 pesos. At sa mga magtatanong kung paano mag-register at mag-deposit, naglagay na din ako ng link ng video sa comment section para di na kayo mahirapan pa. Madami kang sports na pagpipilian. Pwede kang tumalpak sa basketball, UFC at syempre boxing. Kung trip mo naman ang online casino ay marami din dito. Matataas ang odds. Kaya ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Talpak na. At ang aking paalala, para lang ito sa 18 years old and above. At syempre, gamble responsibly. February 2014, parehong dumayo sa Monaco sa Europa ang Pinoy na si Ray Loreto alias Hitman at ang kanyang kalabang South African na dating world champion na si Kusinati Joye alias Maberi. Ang laban ay para sa bakanting IBO World Light Flyweight title. 24 wins with 17 knockout, 2 talo ang South African at 30 anyos na. Habang 17 wins, 9 via knockout at may 13 na talo ang Pinoy at may edad na 23. Dating IBF at IBO World Minimum Champion itong si Joey. Kaya naman sa pustahan ay sobrang dihado ng Pinoy. Pero ang balak ng South African na maging 2 Division World Champion sana ay napurnada dahil sa Pinoy. Inakala ng South Africa na easy fight lang ang Pinoy na si Loreto dahil sa record dito na di kagandahan. Pero nagkamali siya dito. Di niya alam na ang Pinoy na may alias Hitman ay naka Marksman build pala at naka full items na. Kaya naman madaling tinapos ng dihadong Pinoy ang laban gamit ang malahalimaw na left hook. Sa sobrang lakas ng suntok ay bumagsak itong South African na parang poste ng Meralco. Isang upset win ang ginawa ng Pinoy. Panalo via knockout at tinanghal na bagong IBO World Light Flyweight Champion. Halos di makatayo pa itong dating world champion na kalaban. Pati mga kasamahan nito ay tila nagpanik. Dali-daling inalalayan ang kanilang alaga. Halos di makapaniwala sa naging resulta. Tinalo ang dating world champion ng isang Pinoy na may di kagandahang kartada. Sabay nating balikan at tignan kung paano tinumba ng Pinoy ang tanyag na dating world champion ng South Africa.
Well, vacant IBO Junior Flyweight World title for Kusinati Joy. Little southpaw, brilliant little fighter, former IBF champion, former IBO World champion. And here he comes to fight. He's a brilliant body puncher.
It's a battle of the southpaws. It is well known in boxing that the two southpaws settle.
Yeah, it's a strange situation, Bumrani, because you got two guys fighting southpaw like this. They both put their right foot forward first, so they do tend to stand on each other and do the right business.
Loreto has been a professional since the age of 17, but he never really...
Yeah, he came on well. He's like a good red wine in Kusinati Joy. I mean, he's 30 years old now.
In 2002, on the 28th of April at the Indo Center in Han. Takes the right hand now from Loreto.
Takes his time. He's such a cool man as this Kusinati Joy. You can see why he's a two-time world champion.
Just to look at their records, you see that Joy himself also has been stopped. Round number 7 out, he looked and has had some great victories coming to this fight. Of course, he beat Benazir Alaloy at the Emperor's Palace, stopping him in round number 9 at the Palace in South Africa. As we come to the end of round 1, we need to get the stool out of the...
Good work to the body from Joy.
One's bag, and then they said, okay, you want to fight amateur now? And then he stood in an orthodox stance. They said, no, turn around, stand this way, and he switched and he stood southpaw, and they introduced him to amateur boxing. They only fetch him on Fridays though, because they were teaching him how to jab from that up became a southpaw, and he's become a really good southpaw. Look at how he's adjusted to Lorenzo's style. He's taking him half around.
Yeah, brilliant story from Ronnie. And a humble little man. We went to interview him at his house. You know, the Tsari in Eastern Cape, as he banked that body with the right hand. Of course, there's an IBO Junior Flyweight World title at stake. So Loreto, the Hitman, is his nickname. I'm sure he's going to want that title as well. So he's got his hands full here with Maherbie.
He who is taking the fight to Loreto, he's trying to establish the rhythm and just the range, the distance with that right hand jab.
Well, Loreto's felt that power to the body. He did.
Oh, this start by the right hand. Oh, Loreto enjoying his hand right now. Literally saved by the ban. The ban is gone. Join your hand.
Wow. And well, let's watch the replay. There comes the left hand over the top, right hand, boom, big left hand on the button, catches Joy, boom, another left hand, right hand, left hand, Ray Loreto.
Loreto wants to finish it off right now. It is still remains a mystery. Does Joy have his legs back? It's gonna be seen in this, the third round. Loreto still piling on. And he's dropped his guards. His corner told him repeatedly to keep his guards up.
Unbelievable stuff from Hitman, Ray Loreto from the Philippines. He's not That's all over, he doesn't need to. Another left hand, waits for it. Boom, over the top. Whoa, it's all over. Sets his man up. Oh, over the top here. What an upset here in Monte Carlo. And it's a big upset. Obviously a big upset for South African boxing, but a big upset for trainer Gert. See the excitement in the ring there from the corner of Ray Loreto.
His senses back on his feet. But credit.
World champion knocked clean cold in Monte Carlo. Oh, look at that terrific.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.